Sorry, sound effects. There's shampoo, lotion. What are you eating, TTT?
No breakfast.
We did not get the with breakfast package so that we can keep the cost controlled, and we can, if we ever really need to eat breakfast, we can eat outside naman. Kasi may mga small places outside, the little carinderias there. Tapos if you're late naman gising, the mall would be open already naman siguro. Kasi we're on top of Robinson's Mall, the hotel. Kanina, lumabas na ako, pumunta ako sa swimming pool area and inspected the bridge overlooking the golf course of Fairways and Blue Water. Ang ganda ng view, except makulimlim. But syempre, what you expect around mga 5 a.m. So, medyo... Ano nga ang tawag mo doon? Yung medyo blue pa ang sky at 5 a.m. Blue hour. Yun. So, ang sarap namang magstay dito. Yung next na pagsistayan namin is about 100 peso more expensive, but gazillion years older. So we will see what they have to offer. Kasi kami, we try to keep our costs down. Plus, we're not attracted naman sa swimming pool, sa mga buffet breakfast. Tapos saan pa ba? We're not attracted to, very modern facilities. Kasi we live in a condo. Our condo is not it's not a luxury condo, but basically, syempre, if you stay in a building like this, parang ganun na din. Wala naman silang hindi naman sila Shangri-La type. Hindi naman sila Okada type. So, hindi ka parang namamasyal sa themed hotel. But the experience is nice. We haven't opened TV. I've not opened a TV for 1,000 years. So, okay naman, malinis, bago, syempre. We're only staying here for one night. Because if you have watched our other videos, I'm really very vegetarian. But since we took the boat from Batangas, so I wanted to make sure na our first night here, walang glitches, hindi hassle. Kasi si TTT clocked out of work sa gabi. He had the last class. So parang mga 9 o'clock yun. He was home 9:30. We started packing. Tapos kami mga 1 a.m. We were at the bus station at 2 a.m. The bus station is just a mere 400 meters away from where we live. So nandun na kami. You cannot really sleep. Well, I did not sleep. Nakanap ka ba inside the bus going to Batangas?
Very little.
Very little. So, on and off. Pero nakita kita na parang natutulog, pero on and off. Kasi, lalo na, paglagpas ng Star Toll, may mga bumababa na. Kasi our bus, our jam bus, hindi siya straight to the pier sa Batangas Port. Lumabas siya ng Lipa at sinuyod ang Lipa highway, that main road. At marami nang bumababa. Diyos ko, halos lahat ng kasabay namin sa bus, parang sa Lipa lahat bumaba. Until lumabas na siya uli. Pero doon na siya sa after malayo pa from Lasal, Lipa, doon na siya lumabas uli sa Star Toll. At binagtas uli yun hanggang Batangas Port. Alam nyo naman, ang that Star Toll, very matagtag. So, even if gusto mo matulog siguro, tatagtagin ka. Plus, medyo malapit na yung 2 a.m. departure nung sumakay kami ng bus. So, napagpilian na yung mga upuan. Tapos, para magkatabi kami ni TTT, ang nakuha niyang upuan was nasa bandang likuran na. You know, the buses, if you're medyo nasa likod, pero parang matagtag, diba? Kasi I don't know why it's more matagtag. So now, yan, going back to the brekkie, ano ko yan, habit ko yan na magdala ng noodles. But since when we go out of the country or something, pero now, binili ko lang yan sa karinderya, sa baba. Not even from the grocery ng Robinson. Nag-support local tayo. So, ganun. So ngayon, maaga tayong natulog. And true enough, walang glitch. Kasi maganda yung hotel. Kasi may mga experience kami yung first night namin in the past. Doon may budget hotel akong pinuntahan. Ako mag-glitch. Pagpasok namin ayaw mag-aircon, yung ganon. So, kawawa naman si TTT. We want his first night comfortable para makapahinga siya. Pero, syempre, ako ang unang natulog. What time did you sleep? 8. So mabilis lang after I turned in. Yarn. So natutuwa ako dito kasi may meron silang water station, yung hindi hindi yung may jar. I think yung automated, yung merong anti-germ violet light, yung ganon. So, may cold, hot, neutral, ganon. Tapos, ang floor namin nandoon lang sa mismong registration. Check-in. Dito pala sa hotel na to, ang lagi niyong nakikita sa nila, sa advertisements nila or sa website nila is the checkout counter sa ground floor. Pero yung check-in nila nasa third floor. Kasi yung ground floor na maliit na checkout counter nila, high ceiling. So, very, very photogenic. Very grammable. Diba? Unlike dito sa third floor, low ceiling, darker kasi dimmed lights, ganyan. Nagpunta ako kanina sa let's go back to the swimming pool area where the bridges are. But I did not actually go to the bridges, second and third. Doon lang ako sa ka-level ng swimming pool. Ang comment ko lang is, pag nagsiswimming ka dyan, hopefully wala yung mga residents at hindi naka-on yung aircon. Otherwise, nandiyan ka sa corridor of aircon lights. Siyempre maganda pag nagsiswimming ka, diba? Huni ng ibon, breeze ng air, hindi yung white sound ng aircon. Iba pa naman yung white sound ng aircon pag nasa loob ka ng kwarto at nasa labas ka ng kwarto. Tapos ito ding namin, our room faces a courtyard too, pero they assigned it as a smoking area. So last night, there was the very happy friends having their quick yossi break. At syempre, nagkakwentuhan sila. So medyo nagre-reverb sa courtyard. So the smokers are always relegated in some corner. Dapat ang mga smoker nilalagay sa rooftop. Diba? Anyway, every building has a rooftop. So you designate an area para naman you can smoke with leisure. So yun, Going back to the, ang gulo ng kwento ko, no? Going back to the noodles. Yan, kasi kung minsan, ginugutom ka, that's not our main breakfast. Because we don't really breakfast. Si TTT, ang pinaka-breakfast niya sa Pasay is already 2 a.m. At 2 p.m. Pag walang pasok, 2 p.m. yan siya. Eh, lately, ang schedule niya is sa hapon na. So, talaga ang, ano niya, ang breakfast niya is after 12 noon. Tapos yan, pinagbaon ko yan din siya ng, pinagbaon ba kita ng noodles, no? Sa, ano, no, sa Italy. Yan, ako yan, may nakikita na ako, si Daddy ang aga mag-yosi. Pagkagising, yosi agad. So, pinagbaon ko siya ng noodles. Initially, parang ano na lang, hino-humor niya lang ako. So, binaon niya yung noodles. Kasi si TTT hindi rin siya man-noodles. But one of those nights or morning that proved to be very cold because they went to Italy winter, ayaw na nilang lumabas para kumain. So, yun ang i-snack nila ni Dr. Zumba Doc. Yarn. So now TTT is back to bed. So I suppose you're not joining me to walk, going to Sinagpa Beach.
Sinagpa Beach?
Oh, kasi sayang naman yung day. We're here for vacation, to explore. Si TTT, prides himself calling himself a urban trekker because many of our, is nag-urban trekker. Pero pag pina-urban trek mo siya, ayan, ang kanyang attitude. We're only staying here for one night. Tapos yung first night namin, we really just slept. 'Di ba? So mamaya, magche-check out na kami. Kailan pa siya babangon pag magche-check out na tayo. 'Di ba? Ang gustong gawin ni TTT, after lunch na siya gagalaw. Paano naman ako? 'Di ba? Ako lang ang excited na mag-Boracay. So, yan na muna. Thanks for listening to me. Lalabas na tayo. Our next should be a vlog walking from Canyon Hotel to Sinagpa Beach. Bye yours! Bye you all! Okay.